Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Elam. So in today's short video, I just want to share with you guys what I discovered in my pepper soup. Okay, as you can see, this pepper soup has been in the fridge for like a week. Yeah, because it's big. It's big pepper soup. So I brought it out for us to take some and eat, and I saw this fat at the top. Okay, I will tell you guys what we can do with this fat later on. So I decided to scoop them out. Sorry guys, I've started scooping them out before I remember to like share it. Okay, so I started recording. So this is me just gradually taking them out. Okay, you can see the thickness, guys, and I must say this is assorted meat pepper soup. Okay, it's assorted meat pepper soup. So because we have different parts of the cow meat mixed together, I think that's why we have this so much fat. You can see how it is. So it has defrosted so well, and that's why it's just easy for me to pull out this fats like this. Okay, so like I said, what can you do with this? If you do have an idea, do let me know in the comment section. I also know what one can do with it, but as I always say, I'm open to learning. I also want to learn. Okay, so I will advise, guys, first thing, if you make assorted meat pepper soup, and maybe that time as you make it fresh, you might want to eat some, but if you have any leftovers, please put it in the freezer as a defrost. I'm sure you will see, maybe not, I'm sure not this much, but I'm sure you will see some fats like this on top of the pepper soup. Please scoop them out just like you see me do here. Scoop them out and then see what you can do with it. Okay, like I said, we are all here to learn. So the next thing what I'm going to do is just to get a Ziploc bag. Okay, you can see how much I got. This is a lot, guys. If I have scale now, I would have weighed it to know the weight of this fats. So this is pepper soup. I'm ready to enjoy now I can comfortably eat that pepper soup. So like I said, this is just me putting all of that fat in a Ziploc bag. So like I asked earlier, what can you do with this? What can you do with this fat? For me, you can like the bag has some particles of the pepper soup. So you can carefully take all that out. You can use this as butter. Okay, you can use this as a substitute for butter. If you're cooking, maybe jollof rice, stew, anything you use butter for, you can use it as a substitute for butter. Or you can also use it to make jollof rice. Like I said, anywhere you can use butter, you can decide to use this one as a substitute. But for me, to be honest with you guys, as for me, I'm not using this to do anything. Sorry, I'm not using it to do anything because I feel this the same way is going to cake in my body and start blocking my arteries and my veins. No, bye.